Super stoked to share this with you. This is the Meco vacuum cleaner and air duster, so it's going to suck up and blow air, super high powered. We're going to go through all the specs and everything. We're going to do an unboxing. Just wanted to show you the outside first. A couple of things before we jump in, but battery capacity is 2,000. Charging time is 2 hours. Charging interface is a USB-C charging port. Again, it is an air duster and a vacuum cleaner. Comes with a bunch of different tools that you can use for in the car, vents, in couches, all over the place. We'll show you all of those once we get it unboxed, but let's jump in right now. Okay, so here we go. We got the unboxing. Again, this is the Meco Verde vacuum duster combo. Nice, already love it. Comes in a hard case pack. So we're gonna move the box out of the way. Nice and easy carrying case. Zipper right here on the outside cover. You guys are seeing this for the first time just as much as I am. Ooh, here we go. Looks like we got a bag to hold everything in. Extra filter. Here's the vacuum itself, duster itself. So we're gonna see if it comes with a charge on it. Ooh, there's the light, you can see. So we're getting some kind of battery power there. Long press on the bottom button. We'll go over the instructions later, but right out of the box, it does have a battery. Some power. So you can see we've got a skinny nozzle here, skinny brush here. I can see this would be great for the air vents. 3 different nozzles here. Ooh, a fine point. This would be able to get dust. This might even work on computers, other machinery, different parts like that. A little bit of a bigger one, and then an even bigger one. And then we're gonna flip this around here. You've got the zip case here that's gonna have the instructions and even more, obviously for the vacuum. You've got an extender hose here to get into those small cracks inside of a couch is what I'm imagining. Maybe down in between the car. This is gonna be your charging port, which again is a USB-C by USB, you can see here, and that would just plug right in here, and you can see there's a little LED indicator when that's plugged in. We'll show you when we get everything out. And then you've got a bunch of small tools. This is to grab small things. Here you got some tongs, you can grab small things. Little duster for a car. These are all car cleaning tools. Not necessarily a hard wire brush, but it's definitely a hard plastic brush. So all of these go in this nice little bag. And so we're gonna chuck these back in, and you've got your user manual here. So again, this is the Meco vacuum cleaner and air duster user manual. So you've got a rotating handle, LED charging light, switch button, power light, all the different adapters. I'm not going to go through the whole book. You can figure this out when you get it. But we are going to go through some use case scenarios and change some of the nozzles, get out into the car, maybe get up in some air vents and see how this guy works. Okay, so right off the bat, we're going to start with this right here. We're going to, you just basically throw this on. You can twist it on, and then you'll see right in here, you've got these little metal clips, and they align with these clips right here. So we'll just throw this on. We're gonna actually clean off the computer. So we've got that there and it's locked. And then again, to turn this on, you're gonna just long press here on the purple button on the bottom. If you tap it again, it'll go to a higher power. And then one more time to another higher power. You can see with that high power, we're getting all sorts of dust. This part, the keyboard, is absolutely clean. Got all the hair, all the gunk out of that. We're gonna use this on some vents. We're gonna go out to the car, see if we can dust off some stuff in the car and go from there. One thing that I did not show you when we unboxed it is that this handle turns around depending on which side you're using. So if you're using the vacuum side, you can have it face this way. And if you're using the duster side, you can have it face this way. So pretty ingenious right there. So let's jump in a car and see what it looks like in a car. So before we jump out to the car, just to give you a little bit of information about this. So when you are using the vacuum has this oval shaped adapter here that everything else fits onto. So if it's round, it goes on the duster end, and if it's oval, it goes on the vacuum end. So that way you know which piece goes on which side, whether you're going to do the vacuum or the duster. So now we've got it switched around, so we're gonna use this tool. We're gonna get some of this dust off of the LED screen in the car. And so we're gonna switch the handle around. So we're facing this way. We're gonna go full power. Get around the buttons and the knobs in here. A lot of dust coming out. You can get inside of here too as well. And you can see, you can actually put this adapter all the way into the vents. All the little cracks. We're going to switch the adapter and try a little bit of a bigger adapter here. So this is the bottom of one of our cupboards and chip drawer. So we're gonna try this out and see if we can get all these chips and popcorn and little pieces of. So again, we're gonna long press here, full power. You can see right in the cartridge, we're getting all that stuff right there. So to empty this, you just kind of twist, release, pull out the filter, throw the filter back in, line these up, and then you're locked. So it's an easy way to clean this once you've got all your stuff in there. Great thing that you can use this for is for vents. So you can see we've got carpet. When we had the carpet cut, that there's pieces left over in the vents. So this is grabbing all of that carpet as well. Okay, so final thoughts on the Meco airbrush vacuum and duster. So you've got a lot of different attachments that come with it. You've got the extra filter that comes with it. You've got the 3 speeds over here. You've got the battery charging LED light that shows you when it's fully charged. It needs 2 hours basically for a quick charge. We're talking about 130,000 RPM. And again, there's the vacuum on this side, right? And these have special attachments for the vacuum. Then you've got the duster on this side, which has a locking mechanism, which is really, really smart. You just kind of put them in, twist them, and then you'll hear them lock and click. And it all comes in this nice bag where you can carry everything in your car. Again, this is something that you could charge from your car. If you have an external charger, you could charge it that way as well. The extension hose that we showed earlier is 12.5 inches, so you can get in corners, around corners, down in couches, in between stuff in the car, different things like that. And I think the best part about it, right, is that it's a dual filtration. So it's filtering as the air comes out and as the air comes in, so it just shoots it out the other side. You can see right there, there's the other filter on the back end here. This will hold 400 milliliters of stuff, as we talked about earlier. Again, the reversible handle, want to make sure we get that in there. The USB-C charging port with an LED light right there. And obviously they know how important customer satisfaction is. So if you have any questions or if you encounter any problems, you want to reach out to the company, they will respond within 24 hours. So really powerful, love this. This might be our day-to-day use for small messes. Obviously not a deep clean on Saturday, but love it.